Welcome to the latest installment of the Indigo Lab. I'm your boy Chef Radio. Here with me, as always, is King Karan on the director tip, and we have Nikki Nuggs on the soundtrack. This is a welcome back episode for me. I just got off the plane. Not really, about a couple days, like about a week ago. About a week ago, I came back from Guyana. I went to South America for about a week. I had a good time out there. Shout out all the people. Shout out Uncle Nav, Auntie Sharon. I probably fucked that up. Auntie Shar, Auntie Mish, Uncle Nav, all the people that I met out there that took care of me and showed me around. They got a beautiful culture out there. Everybody got Caribbean accents. It's wild. It was wild. I seen somebody who looked Asian and then they started sounding like they were Bob Marley. It was wild. I don't know. It was ill. I love it. But this week we have a spiced peach and orange salad for you this week. I'm kind of capitalizing. Still, we got our summer months coming to a close here. We got some nice palisade peaches that I'm going to use. I have some oranges that I'm going to use in a couple different ways. And yeah, we're just going to try to enjoy all the flavors of the summer. Appreciate you stopping here to the Indigo Lab. Let's get to it. I should have got more so I could juggle. I can't juggle. My hand-eye coordination is trash. Anyways, the first step is we're gonna slice up these oranges, but I'm gonna do a couple of variations of my orange slices. I have some pectin X here, which is an enzyme that basically will eat away at the flesh or kind of that outside rind of the orange. So it's really cool to have together when you're trying to make a really pretty salad or a really pretty plate like we are in this case. So I peeled 2 oranges and I put them in here in a bowl. This took about maybe 6 hours, and I added maybe a little bit more than you should, but it's all up to you. It's not dangerous in any way, but you can see here that after 6 hours of sitting in that solution, we have a beautiful segment. And we didn't have to slice it, we didn't have to dice it. It just came out the bath real pretty. So we're gonna use some of those orange slices, and we're gonna do the traditional way. So show you how we do that. Slice off the end here, slice off the other end, and then just kind of go around the shape of the orange. Make sure you have a really sharp knife when you're doing this so you can get that rind off of there and not that flesh. I'm doing pretty good. I don't have a lot of flesh on there. So my knife is doing a good job. Shout out these Costco knives that I bought in a pinch. No, Sam's Club. Yeah, get my sponsors right. My non-sponsors right when they start coming. So yeah, just kind of go around, make it pretty. Make it as pretty as possible. Got those to the side there. And then we'll just slice nice little circles like that. So we're getting close to that end, so we may not use these 2 pieces just because there's a lot of rind still in there. Do the same thing. My cut is all uneven. Got an eyelash. the rest of that. Yes, sir. Okay. Same deal. The hell? Right. All right, next we got some beautiful Palisade peaches. I'm gonna use these just because they're fucking beautiful. Come on. All right, that didn't work like I thought. This one you got a sharp knife, you could just make the adjustments. That's what Dr. Miami said. He's doing a lot of stuff. I don't know. I don't know if I want to shout him out, but you can. If you feel so I am okay, brother. Brother, I do not need this. No. Okay. Okay. Just cutting off some of these little ugly bits. Yeah. Damn. It's a whole ugly side. It was more than a bit. Okay. All right. If that's how you want to do it, we can do it like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sorry about that. But yeah, that had to go in there. We may not use all these, but this definitely needed to be in this salad. Get what you need, my brother. Get what you need. So we have our oranges slices. We have our peaches sliced. We have our orange segments nice and marinated. We're gonna slice up some green onion, and I have a little bulb white onion that we can use in there, just to kind of contrast all the sweet that we have going. I'm looking down a lot. I need to focus up on you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and then we'll slice up those aromatics. Yeah. No, I'm glad you did. No, it looks wild. All right, so now we're gonna slice up our green onion and our white onion for our salad. So just got a nice sharp knife. Man, having a sharp knife just makes life so much easier. Like, you just be like, let's do it. And I always think of like utensils in the kitchen, like Toy Story, so they be like hype when you use them. I think of them like they're really hype, like, yay, he's using me, or I'm sharp as shit. I'll cut your ass. I'll cut the shit out of you. And then when, like, if you cut yourself on something, they'll be talking shit that day, like, yeah, I got that nigga. I told you I would get that nigga. Nigga put me up for 10 months, cuz. That's my mandolin. My mandolin been talking shit since it fucking cut my hand up. I haven't never really used it ever since. It's like buying a hired assassin. Certain knives you buy them, it's like a hired assassin, man. That motherfucker cut your ass up, cuz. keep playing with me. Like, nigga, I hired you. I brought you home. Why you being weird to me? Shout out Mona. That was the shit. Why you being weird to me? Anyways, we have our onion sliced up. Next step is we're gonna get to our salad dressing. So let's do it. Bow, 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 bow. Dressing time. Okay, so we have our crazy glue vegetable oil here. We're gonna use that once again. I'm just gonna do like a little honey mustard, poppy seed thing. I don't even think I opened up this fucking mustard. Look at, come on, man. What's up with me? Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna make a little honey mustard dressing. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna do just like we did on the last one. Shake it up in the thing. Get some poppy seeds in there. Yes, sir. I like these little shake up dressings because just get them done real quick. I enjoy the summer, but I ain't gonna miss it. Man, hot as shit. Man, Colorado ain't chilling now. All right, so we got all our pieces together. Let's start building our salad. Back to back. You gotta love it. All right, we're at the assembly. We have our beautiful Palisade peaches. We have our cylindrical oranges, and then we have our segmented oranges. And I'm missing something. Ooh. Nah. Some Korean chilies. I don't know why, it just needs that. All right. I'll put these in like this. Get a little rose going. Can we do it? Nope. No, I don't think it's gonna happen like that. There we go. I want to watch Batman Forever. That was random. I'm just thinking about the Batman Forever soundtrack. I think Prince produced it. Wanted DJ Omano to come through, but he had to fucking study. Shout out that man. Keep chasing that dream, my brother.
Keep chasing.
We see you out over here at the Indigo Lab. We love you, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Talk about those people who put the puzzle together, put the pieces to the put the. try those, my brother. You know how you get down. This is about a 50 milligram infusion here. Some real light. Hit it with these green onions. Put that yellow onion in there too. Or white. Baby white onion. And everybody assumed that I was like Spanish out there. They just started speaking Spanish to me because like, apparently I look Dominican. So that was interesting to me. When I was in the Miami airport, everybody just assumed I was Dominican. It was wild. Hit it with that chili flake so we get some spice. Not too much, but just enough to punch you in the face. Dressing. Okay, now we're at about 60 milligrams, but we're good. All right, I'm gonna get my space cleaned up and then we'll wrap this thing. You feel me? And there you have it. We have our spiced orange and peach salad. Topped it with some pistachios and some Korean chili flake. This is definitely a good summer dish with the summer coming to an end here in the next month. So got to enjoy it while it's still here. Love it. Thank you for coming through here to the Indigo Lab. We appreciate you each and every week. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good shit. We love our supporters. We love the new people coming through. Please continue to support us. We got some big shit on the way. Peace.